Today we're going to learn how to create a blog voiceover using ElevenLabs. Let's just listen to a sample that I was able to create from this blog post right here.
And keep human review. The best Gemini gems do not replace content strategy or human editors. They remove the repeated setup work and repetitive tasks
So you guys were able to hear it, hopefully. And this is me using ElevenLabs to do this. I can also utilize my own voice to do this, but I just prefer to use voices they already have set up in their studio right here. So a lot of times this day and age, a lot of people listen to podcasts. A lot of people watch podcasts. They don't necessarily just listen to one. So, but if you want to rank more on Google, and if you want to give people an opportunity to listen rather than read, because these days a lot of people are not going to read the whole blog post and they skim it. One of the best ways to do this is by simply copying and pasting your blog post in ElevenLabs. I have a link to ElevenLabs in the description below. So once you arrive on their dashboard and you look on the left hand side, you have access to home, voices. This is where you have a whole voice library. And in this voice library, I'm just going to show you guys a couple of things. So the different, right here, you got Max, Hope, Adam, and you can also pick your language. So let's just see, I want to pick a language from Afrikaans all the way to Yoruba. But for this one, we're going to use English because I'm speaking English currently and I want people to be able to understand what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to click on English, and you can also pick the accent. As you guys, multiple different English accents out here. There's not just the classic British or the classic American English accent, there are multiple. So it tells you to pick any American, Australian, British, Canadian, Indian, Irish, Jamaican. And let's just listen to, and it even gives you subcategories, African American, Singaporean. It even gives you certain accents like Boston, Chicago, New York. Let me pick African American right now and just listen to it real quick. So right now we're going to listen to an African American.
The water in a river is never the same from moment to moment, yet we call it by the same name and recognize its essential.
There's a posh African American accent, but I digress. And as I said, you can pick any region you want or any categories of things you want. And for accent, I'm just gonna pick, let's just say I go with, I thought of the African American, so I'm just gonna go with Nigerian. By the way, for those of you that don't know, Nigerian and Singaporean sounds the same. Nigerian and Singaporean accents, even in real life, they sound the same. But I'm just gonna go with Nigerian for this one. Or they're different. It's right here. I'm just gonna go with Ayinde.
Hi there, I'm Ayinde, a young British Nigerian.
So that's right there. And you can pick how you want the accent. You want the accent to be conversational, narration, character, social media, education. So you can just go ahead and customize it there. Another thing you're capable of doing, just like I said in the beginning, you can also create a voice. So click on create voice. You'll be able to design an entire new voice, or you can clone your own voice. So it's going to take 2 minutes to clone your own voice. Another thing you can do is do professional cloning. So they'll take your voice and they'll clone it up in their studio. But for that one, you have to be on their creator plan to do it. So I don't want to clone my voice. Just kind of trying to give you guys sentences that you're capable of doing. Another place they have right here is the studio. Click on studio. And with this studio, you're not just able to create a voice, like create a voiceover. You're also able to turn that voiceover into an actual reel, just like this right here that you guys can see. You can go ahead and create a faceless video, add a voiceover. You can add captions, create. There's are things you're capable of doing in your studio. But for this tutorial, is just a voiceover. So I'm just going to go over to text to speech on the left hand side. Just click on text to speech. And you can go ahead and you can copy your entire blog post. Obviously, what you want to do is you want to summarize the blog post and take away key parts of it, and then have ElevenLabs give you a voiceover for that summarized part. So I'm just going to put my key takeaways. I don't want it to take my whole blog. I'm going to name it key takeaways as in blog posts. Then paste. It was right there. And so this is the voice right here. And I can go ahead and generate speech. And every time you generate speech, it's going to take away from your credits. I have a lot of credits. So you guys can say I have 10,000 credits. 9,000 or something, but roughly 10,000. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate speech right here. And it takes less than a minute.
Key takeaways from this blog post. Gemini gems work best when each gem owns one narrow, repeatable content task. Saved gem instructions should set.
It sounds really robotic. So a lot of the things that you can do to make it sound less robotic, head and pretty much separate them to make it sound less robotic. It doesn't sound like run-on sentences. And then you see right here, it tells you can also pick the model. So right here, currently we're on version 2. You can use the Labs version 3. You click on get started, and then You have a voice. Let me pick a voice right here. I said Nigerian.
Ayinde. Pick this one.
Then I'm going to generate speech. So now it's going to give you 2 different generations to pick from. So let's listen to the first one.
Key takeaways from this blog post. Gemini gems work best when each gem owns one narrow, repeatable content task. Save gem instructions should set the role, task, context, output format, and non-negotiable rules while writing instructions effectively.
That's nice. Now let's listen to generation 2.
Key takeaways from this blog post. Gemini gems work best when each gem owns one narrow, repeatable content task. Saved gem instructions should set the role, task, context, output format, and non-negotiable rules while writing instructions effectively.
I like generation 2. So one of the things you can do, you can go ahead and download this and then upload it to, let's say, Spotify podcast, and then come back to your blog post and embed it at the very top. People play it, people listen to it. Also, search engines get to index it, and you get to rank high because you have podcasts embedded on your blog post. And people listen to it because I said these days people barely read. So that is how you can utilize and how you can create blog post voiceovers with ElevenLabs. And by the way, if you want more credits, because ElevenLabs is just one of those, it's one of the things I'll say should be a part of your AI suite. ElevenLabs should do. So you can go ahead and click on upgrade. If I click on upgrade, I'm just going to show you guys your pricing. So currently, as you see, it's affordable. I'm on the free plan. You get 10K credits per month. You got 3 studio projects, access to speech to text, sound effects, voice design, music, productions, image, and video, which is excellent. As I'm telling you guys, it should just be a part of your AI suite. I have a link to it in the description below. It has $6 a month, which is incredibly affordable. 30K credits per month, 20K studio projects. You clone your own voice with instant voice cloning, access to dubbing studio, commercial license for speech and music. You got the most popular plan, 121K per month, 1,000 studio projects, professional voice cloning. Just keep with this plan, $11 per month. Right now it's on sale. You can do professional voice cloning, 192 kilobyte per second quality audio, additional credits through pay as you go, and then you got the $99 per month, which you may not need, but in case you need it, 600K credits per month, 3,000 studio projects for the 4.1 kilohertz PCM audio output via API, which is pretty dope. You can connect it. You're able to utilize the API. You can use this tool to be a part of your suite, and that's the 11 Creative, which is what you'll be using the most. You also have the Agents, which follows the same tier. It's more of helping you with calls than anything else. So 15 minutes of calls included, 4 concurrent calls. So this one right here, the starter plan, 75 minutes of calls included. But we didn't really cover that in this video. It was more of the agent, but I'm just showing you guys what you're capable of using this to do. And then with their API, the API is almost like a pay-as-you-go model. The same thing with OpenAI's API or Anthropic API. So you can come out here and create voiceovers with ElevenLabs, and they also have audiobooks too. So for those of you that want to start publishing your own audiobooks, you can go ahead and create an audiobook. And once you've created your audiobook, you can publish it over to Audible, or you can publish it over to Spotify audiobooks. And as you see, they have payouts. You can come out here and get your payouts. They connect your Stripe and everything else, and you can publish through 11 Reader, so which is pretty good. So you guys can come out and try ElevenLabs. And I hope this video was good. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try, guys, comment down below what you want me to create next. I'm gonna catch you guys next week.